Day 2 in Naples. Today we're off to the Amalfi Coast. Here's the old lift from our accommodation. Sharon's freaking out. Welcome. Where are we?
We're in Naples on the street eating our breakfast.
We got a chopped croissant, some tea, pineapple juice. We're just coming to the Limoncello Factory. Yeah, that was on video. Yummy? Classic limoncello, yeah? Over that's strong. Pistachio cream. This is the grappa. It's 42% alcohol. At the Limoncello Factory.
Drinking a cafe latte. I'm drinking nothing.
And there's Chloe.
So in this case, we drove here from the highway. We went out on the area of Pompeii, and now we are in the area of Sorrento. Sorrento is the last one, the one that you can see there, the last port. That's far away. But all the area here is composed by 3 little towns plus Sorrento at the end. In order, we have Meta di Sorrento, Piano di Sorrento, Sant'Agnello. Agnello is lamb in English. And then the last one is Sorrento there, where we will have lunch. If you turn your camera to that mountain, we will go up and down to that mountain to Positano first, where we will drive along one of the top 10 scenic roads we have in Europe. And you will be in the most important beach of Instagram this year, 2023, the beach of Positano. Yeah. After that, for a good lunch in Sorrento.
Okay.
Perfect. The cross up on top of here.
We have crosses on the top of all the most important mountains we have in Italy. So when you have an important mountain, you have a cross at the top. So let's say we are used to that.
Where are we?
I don't even know.
Positano?
Positano then?
We're looking over Positano. It's over here.
Okay.
At a lookout.
We're just here in Positano, walking down to the water. Chloe and Sharon and Taylor shopping up a storm in Positano. Looking at some dresses. This is Positano, there's Chloe, there's Sharon. Where are we?
Positano. Amalfi Coast.
Positano.
Positano. Oh, it is too.
Yeah.
What did I say? Positano.
Yeah.
We are in Positano on the Amalfi Coast.
Nestled along Italy's stunning Amalfi Coast, Positano is a scenic 1.5 hour drive from Naples. This dreamy cliffside village that looks like it's straight out of a postcard, with its pastel-coloured houses stacked along the cliffs and sparkling turquoise water below. This seaside gem is all about slow living. Stroll through the narrow lanes lined with boutique shops, sip on a fresh limoncello, treat yourself to creamy Italian gelato as you soak in the views, or relax on the pebbled Spiaggia Grande beach. Whether you're here for an hour or a week, Positano's beauty is unforgettable and definitely worth a visit. We are getting some smoothies and some juices, refreshments. Yummy, yummy. We've just arrived in Sorrento and we are at the Foreigners Club, and apparently it's got a really good view. You'll see it in 2 seconds. Full of Italian charm, welcome to Sorrento. Perched on dramatic cliffs overlooking the Bay of Naples, this is where La Dolce Vita comes to life.
We're in Sorrento looking for gelato.
Chloe, looking at her phone. Just an hour from Naples, Sorrento is perfect for a day trip. Stroll through Piazza Tasso, the bustling main square, shop for handmade limoncello and ceramics, and don't miss tasting the world's creamiest gelato. For unforgettable views, have lunch at the Foreigners Club and order a limoncello spritz. From its colourful streets to its breathtaking coastline, Sorrento is pure Italian magic. We're here at the Pulcinella. If you rub his nose, it's good luck. And we'll come back.